Yo, it's Ben from Flat Dog UK, and we're doing something crazy today. We're going to try and develop a flat dog rack for this 90 truck cab from start to finish in the day. It's currently 8:30 in the morning. Everybody's wondering why we're doing it in the day, but there we go. Let's crack on. Initial thoughts. Truck cab, full length roof rack. That's the idea. So we're going to be inspired by a 110 double cab full length roof rack and fit the front to the gutters on our normal Defender legs. We'll have the tray sort of levitating in the back there, which will be strengthened and braced. And then we will have twin ladders on the back, which will bolt down using these bolts. Let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to do is try a standard Defender leg on the car, which initially we think is too high. Well, it's a lot too high. So we're going to design and manufacture a shorter leg. As luck would have it, our T25 leg is the perfect height, which will allow us to fit the windbreak under the roof and be as aerodynamically efficient as possible on the Defender. So that's a win. And Adam is currently taking a look at the ladder, which we've got a plan for. So similar to our 110 double cab, but it's going to be a bit shorter because we're lower to the roof. And they will be two full length ladders, which you're going to bolt to those fixings, Ad?
Yep, hopefully straight down onto them.
And then up to the roof rack. So the next job now is to work out the length of the roof rack from the back to the front. We obviously don't want that overhanging on the front, so what we do is manufacture our roof racks in 200mm increments. So we're going to get an estimate of the length now using the straight edge, measuring towards the front, and we'll correlate that with the amount of bars that we can produce on the roof rack and go from there. A little bit of a crude way of measuring the flat on the back, but we're kind of cheating because we know that our 90 roof rack is 1935mm, which is going to bring that near the front, which is nice. Obviously, it looks like there's a little bit of a gap there. The ladders are slightly offset towards the inside and have a spacer plate on the back as well, so that will bring the rack further forward by 10 or 20mm or so. So that is going to work perfectly. No surprises, we already know the 90 length of our flat dog roof racks. So we don't just stock parts here, we also manufacture our roof racks in-house. Welding, bending, machining, powder coating. So we're going to go that end now, we're going to give them the dimensions, and we're going to get it made. Right, it's 9:43. And we are taking the truck cab back outside. The guys are down manufacturing now, which is great, so that hopefully will be ready in the next hour or so for finishing, powder coating. We'll get it fitted and job done. Until then, we've got a Discovery 5 roof rack to fit, so let's get this out and get that done. Discovery 5 rack is complete, so now it is a case of getting back to the little truck cab. As we showed you at the start of the video, we've got the shorter leg, so the roof rack's going to sit a little bit closer to the roof and be more aesthetically pleasing. We've got the windbreak, which goes on the underside at the front of every one of the flat dog roof racks. A bunch of fittings. We've got the flat dog badges to put on once the roof rack is powder coated and cooled down, and then we've got the claws that are going to fit the front of the roof rack to the roof. So here we've got the pickup 90 rack being prepped for powder coating, so another degrease on there. You can see on the 90 truck cab where the roof rack is going to overhang. We've got the strengthening braces, which which are TIG welded into place. And there we've got the front, which is like our standard flat dog racks range. Let's get it black. Right, so it's 2:30, and after a long day where the team have worked incredibly hard on getting this one done, the roof rack is ready to come out of the powder coating oven. This needs to cool down, legs fitted, windbreak fitted, badges fitted, ladders prepped. We're going to get it bolted up now, and in the next clip we're going to show you the finished product. You ready? Let's take a look. There we have it. In one day, from 8:30 to about 4 o'clock, a new flat dog rack for the 90 pickup. Job done. Like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.